So in this lecture we will learn about the LALR1 and CLR1 parsing table. And to understand the LALR1 and CLR1 parsing, you must have a knowledge about the LR0 parsing also. And you may view my previous lectures when we have discussed about this LR0 and the SLR1 parsing. So LR1, for the look ahead LR1 parsing and the CLR1 parsing, what you need to do, you need to compute the LR1 collection of items. Okay, so the LR1 collection of items are nothing but the LR0 collection of items plus the look ahead. Okay, so if you are computing the LR0 collection, if you already know the how to compute the LR0 items, it is going to be very easy. Just you need to have a knowledge about the look aheads. Okay, so suppose we have a grammar of kind S produces small a, capital A produces small a, capital A, and A produces small b. To compute the LR0 items, what we used to do, we have to find the augmented grammar. In the augmented grammar, we add a production of kind capital S, and you know that after the start symbol a dollar will appear. So this is the look ahead for this. Okay, so after the start symbol only the dollar may appear. So this is the look ahead for this. So now since a dot has appeared after this dot is appearing, and then we have a non-terminal symbol, we will be writing all the production is starting with capital S, and for that we have a dot A and A. This is the only production, and what will be the look ahead associated with this production? That will actually be after we have written this production because of this S. So whatever is appearing after this, you have to find out the first of this. So first of dollar is dollar. Okay, now after this dot, a capital A is appearing, so you will be writing a capital A dot A capital A. So all this production is starting with this capital A. Now this production is written because of this A, and you need to, if you want to find out the look aheads associated with this production, what you will do, you will find the first of this A, not this A, this A, because you are writing this production because of this first capital A, and you have to find out the first of A dollar. What will be the first of A dollar? With the production, it is clear that the first of A dollar will be small a and small b. Okay, so you're going to compute the first of A dollar. So first of A dollar is first of A. So first of A is small a and small b. So this is the look ahead associated with this. Similarly, A produces dot B. So first of A dollar, that means small a and small b. So these are the look aheads associated with this. Now if you start making the transitions, the method remains the same. With the capital S, you are shifting this shifting this dot. So S dash produces S dot, and the look ahead remains the same. So this is state number 1. And now with capital A, you are shifting this capital A. So S produces A dot A, and what will be the look ahead? You see that you're writing this production because of this A. So you need to find out the for the first production, the dollar remains the same. For the first production, we will write the same look ahead. But since we are going to write this other production that those are starting with capital A, so this will be small a dot capital A. And now this, just because you have written the production because of this capital A, you'll be writing the first because of this dollar. The first of this dollar will be dollar. Similarly, A produces dot B and dollar. Okay, now with the small a dot capital A, the look ahead remains the same for this one, but the look ahead will change further, or may change further. So starting with the capital A productions, dot A and capital A. Now you need to find out the first of for this for the look aheads of this particular production. You will be writing the look ahead of A and B. Why A and B? Because we have written this production because of this capital A. Anything after this, you will be finding the first of that. So first of a small a and a small b, small a and small b. Similarly, for A produces dot B, the look aheads will be small a and small b. So this is the production number 3. Now you'll be writing for B now. So A produces B dot. For the first production, the look ahead will remain the same. Okay, now for the further transitions, from 1 there is no transition possible. From 2 there is a transition possible with capital A. So S produces small a dot, and you'll be finding the first of the dollar which will remain the same. And now with small a produces small a dot capital A, and now you see you will be finding the first of dollar now. So you've written first of dollar will be dollar. Okay. Now with a small b, A produces B dot and dollar. For the first of dollar is dollar. So let's number all these productions: 5, 6, and 7. Now you see that in the state number 7, the state number 7 is A produces B dot and dollar. And now what is this state? A produces B dot with small a and small b. So this one and this one differ only in the look aheads. So these will be the different states. Now if we take a capital A here, so capital A produces small a, capital A dot, and the look ahead of A and B will be A and B only. Now if you take a small a, with the small a, what will happen? With the small a, you just see that what will happen with this small a transition. This will be A produces small a dot A. Okay, so look ahead of A and B will be A and B. All the production is starting with capital A, so it's dot A and capital A. Look ahead will be A and B. A produces dot B. Look ahead will be A and B. So this is the same state. Okay, so for small a, it will remain in the same state, and with a small b, it will go to this state. You see. Okay, in the sixth state, there is something remaining in the sixth state. We shall add that also. Here we have A produces small a and capital A. So we'll be writing all the production is starting with capital A. So that will be small a and capital A, and the first of dollar will be dollar. There's one more thing to be added in this sixth state, which is A produces dot P, and the first of that will be dollar. Okay, so all the production that is starting with capital A. So A produces small a and capital A, and A produces small b, and the first of dollar will be dollar. That's why we have added this. From this sixth state on capital A, you will be going to A produces small a, capital A, and first of dollar will be dollar. Okay, so this, let's say this is the 8th state, so this will be 9th state. On small a, if you have this small a, if you shift this dot, then you will be writing the productions like small a produces small a dot capital A with the dollar, and A produces dot A small a with the dollar, A produces dot B with the dollar. So you will remain in the same state with dollar. Okay, and now with a small b, a dot will be shifted after the b, so you'll remain in this state. So this is how we compute this LR1 items. How we are doing the LR1 items, how we are computing the LR1 items, that we are adding a look ahead also. And what is the look ahead? Look ahead is look ahead is being actually found by the first. Okay, if you are starting with the first state, if you are starting for this capital S, not the first state, but this with this capital S, the dollar can only follow the capital S. Okay, and then if we are starting this all the production with this capital S, so S produces small a and capital A, and what is the follow of this dollar? So we have written dollar here. Now the dot appears after the dot, there is a non-terminal capital A, so you will be writing all the production starting with this capital A, and capital A produces small a and capital A with a dot in the beginning. This production is being written because of this first A, and now we will be finding out the look ahead by finding the first of a dollar. So look ahead can be found by after this capital A capital A appears and a dollar is appearing. So a dollar, we will be finding the first of a dollar, and first of a dollar is small a and small b. So look ahead of this is small a and small b. Similarly for a produces small b, and the look ahead of this capital A was small a and small b. Okay, so this is how we compute the canonical collection of LR1 items.